one note about this bus. There's 4 air conditioners, but now we'll meet the couple.
Hi, we're James and Phoebe Jacobson from Syracuse, Indiana. And this is our bus.
We don't have a name, but come on in.
All right.
This is a 1998 Bluebird with an 8.3 Cummins. It's a pusher, and it has the 4 air conditioners he mentioned. In its former life, it was a blood mobile, and it has leveling jacks, tire chains, and we cheated, so we didn't have to take the seats out. We basically gutted all their stuff, and the walls were done and everything, so we just had to build in here. It has 4 bunk beds and then a king-size bed in the back, and I don't know how many gallons of fresh water we hold, but a lot. And we can walk through. This is the only original thing. These cabinets down here in the driver's seat is all that's left from the Bloodmobile. We gutted everything, put the cabinets in. We put a electric range top we got, and then we in the kitchen sink. I wanted a big sink, and we ended up finding this at Habitat for Humanity for 15 bucks. And my wife had a surgery, and so it took all the kids and me to lift it and put it in the van to bring it home, and that kind of thing. And still working on it. You can tell we're not carpenters. Our corners don't match anywhere. We do have 2 refrigerators, the small one and the big one. We found this used for $200. We did keep our emergency exit. Wanted to be able to get out of here, Lord willing, and my parents made us put, I think we have 3 fire extinguishers and 6 smoke detectors, so.
Just in case.
Yeah. The bunk beds have, they're narrow twin memory foam, and we built the, we didn't build the bunk beds until we had the mattresses, because we wanted to make sure we had enough room and everything for them. And in the bathroom we did a toilet, or normal RV toilet, and it has a 32 by 32 residential shower.
That we got at Lowe's.
Yeah.
And we don't use the shower yet because we don't have hot water yet. We're still working on that.
Coming further back, we have, like I said, we have we did a desk unit here because we're constantly moving and whatever, and it's nice to be able to have a spot to do something. We have an all-in-one washer dryer combo unit we got for $300. We found it locally, and so working on hooking that up. And then the bed in the back, and another flat screen television that was given to us.
Nice.
And then 2 more bunk beds. So we can comfortably fit. I always say if they liked each other, you could put 7 in here. But it does pretty decent on fuel. We get about 10 miles a gallon, and we have never traveled yet more than 2 hours from home. But other than that, it's still a work in progress, and
They all are.
Yes.
We're never done.
Yeah.
We're not done.
It has 3 electric heaters that came with it that the Bloodmobile people left in here, and then the air conditioners have heat.
And you've got a generator.
Yes, and
Yes.
we have a 15 kW diesel generator that only has 1,000 hours on it that runs off the tank, so we don't have to deal with anything with it. And,
Right.
but yeah, other than that, we're still wrenching away at it, and
Cool. Well, thank you.
definitely.
Nice bus.
Thank you. Thank you.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that video of that great schoolie, and in the coming weeks there'll be more. So please, I will see you next Saturday for a tour of another schoolie. Steampunk Steve saying, see you on the road.